Have you ever wondered how languages and nations came into existence? A question as old as time itself, yet it remains shrouded in mystery. Our world is a tapestry of cultures, languages, and nations, each with its unique origin story. But what if there was a common thread that ties them all together? What if there was a singular event that sparked the diversity we see today? Let's step back in time to an era where ancient civilizations were marked by towering architectural marvels and complex societal structures. There's a tale, an ancient one, that speaks of a tower. Not just any tower, but the Tower of Babel. A structure so grand it was said to reach the heavens. This is not just a story of architectural ambition, but also a tale that seeks to explain the genesis of languages and nations. Dive into the ancient pages of history as we unravel the fascinating tale of the Tower of Babel. In the annals of ancient history, a story stands out: the tale of the Tower of Babel. This tale, steeped in mystery and intrigue, unfolds in a time when humanity, united by one language, shared a common ambition. An ambition so audacious, it sought to challenge the very heavens. In the land of Shinar, the people, flush with unity and driven by a shared purpose, began to construct a tower. This was not any ordinary tower. It was a monument to human achievement, a testament to their collective strength. It was a tower intended to reach the heavens, a beacon of human ambition that sought to defy the celestial boundaries. But the heavens observed in silence, watching as the tower grew taller, piercing the clouds, inching ever closer to the divine realm. The audacity of their endeavor did not go unnoticed. The divine intervention was swift and decisive. The unity that had been the people's strength was shattered. The single language that had been the bedrock of their collective endeavor was confounded. The people were struck by a confusion of tongues. Their words became unintelligible to one another. The once united humanity was splintered into factions, each speaking a different language, unable to comprehend the other. The tower, once a symbol of unity and strength, stood as a stark reminder of their thwarted ambition. The construction was abandoned, the people scattered, and the once bustling city of Babel fell into desolation. The tower, in its unfinished state, was a monument, not of achievement, but of divine intervention and human hubris. The story of the Tower of Babel is not just a tale of a tower, it's a tale of ambition, unity, divine intervention, and the birth of diversity. It's a tale that marks the dawn of different languages and nations, a tale that forever changed the course of human history. The Tower of Babel, a symbol of human ambition and divine intervention, forever marked the dawn of different languages and nations. From the scattered bricks and the confusion at Babel, emerged a world rich in diverse languages and nations. As the dust of the fallen tower settled, people found themselves unable to communicate, their once common language now a babel of incomprehensible sounds. This marked a turning point in human history, a moment that catalyzed the birth of countless languages and nations. Imagine the scene as communities of people, bound by a newfound shared language, began to drift apart. They ventured into unknown territories, forming distinct societies, each with its own unique culture and way of life. From the highlands of Scotland to the vast plains of Africa, from the bustling streets of Beijing to the quiet villages of the Amazon, each language and nation is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human spirit. And so, a tower that was meant to be a symbol of unity ironically became the catalyst for diversity. Thus, from the ruins of a single tower sprang forth the vibrant tapestry of languages and nations we see today. In the end, the Tower of Babel serves as a potent symbol of human ambition, divine intervention, and the birth of diversity. This enduring tale encapsulates the audacious spirit of early humans, their yearning to reach the heavens, and the divine response that led to the creation of myriad languages and nations. Throughout this exploration, we've delved into the enigmatic origins of the tower, the audacity of its builders, and the divine retribution that followed. We've traced the birth of languages, the formation of nations, and the dispersal of humanity across the globe. The Tower of Babel stands as a linchpin in this narrative, an emblem of our collective history and shared ambition. The story's enduring relevance lies in its universal themes: human aspiration, divine consequence, and the beautiful diversity that ensued. Next time you marvel at the rich diversity of languages and nations, remember the Tower of Babel, a testament to humanity's shared history and enduring spirit.